Hello guys, and welcome to another CBI tutorial. My name is Crystal, aka Crystal X on I Envy You, and today we're going to be doing another SketchUp tutorial. It's the furniture basics. I'm going to show you guys how to make a simple rug. This is the easiest thing we can make in SketchUp. So here goes. Um, Open up your SketchUp. Mine's taking a second to load. We're going to see Susan here. If you have your template 2 feet and inches like I do. I already explained this in other tutorials. But what we're going to do is go to plugins and go to the iEnvy file editor. New project, female project, or male, doesn't matter. It's all based on what you like. And you can either choose the rectangle or the circle. For this one, I suggest you choose the rectangle for now. And go ahead and make a square and look at your avatar for the scale, and you can see how big your rug is going to be. You know, you can always resize it as a furniture, but it's nice to just have it the size that you want it as is. You know, I want a nice little rectangular one, so I like that size too. What I'm going to do now that I have it, mine is facing the gray side, so I'm going to reverse the faces on it by right clicking, and then the menu's going to pop up, and I'm going to go down to reverse faces. Now I see the white, and I'm going to open up my bucket tool, and then I'm going to use one of my the numbers for my material section. Remember I taught you guys how to make this in the textures lesson. So take a look at that if you're confused. And I'm going to pin my textures. I have a Ruby to do that, but I also taught you how to pin textures too. Alright, and once you have it textured, here's what we're going to do next. You can go ahead and get rid of the avatar since we have this scaled to where we want it. What you're going to want to do is center this along the axis points. So go ahead and move it until it gets centered. Or if you're like me and you have a bunch of rubies or cheats, you can use those. I'm using Merlin's toolkit. And we do not have to add a furniture node or anything to this, because we centered it on the axis point, and it'll automatically just give it one once we place this into iEnvy You. So let's go ahead and save from here. Alright, so now that I have this saved, I'm going to go back to plugins and remember Meshout, how I told you about it and how it's really good for exporting. That's what we're going to go do. We're going to go to Export iEnvy You file set. The very first one. I always use that one. I've never used the second one, and my meshes export perfectly every time. And the first thing it's going to save is the XSF with the file name that you gave it. Go ahead and press save. And it should say export complete almost immediately because it's a really simple mesh. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to create mode, derive new product. We're going to go to rooms and furniture, and then we're going to go to furniture. or you can type in the numbers 12908 and press go. Sorry about the background noise. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is upload our XMF. I'm going to go ahead and for the materials 01 through 02, I'm going to unclick the vertex and get rid of the opacity map and use blending that they pre-made onto the numbers, onto the material numbers. And then I'm going to add my XSF. Not going to mess with the attachment notes or any of that stuff. It's just really simple. Add your XMF, add your XSF, and then add your textures. I have a pre-made set of number textures. I have ones that match the materials that I gave you guys in the previous tutorial. Have my own custom one. And I know that it's just going to be 0, 0. I'm just adding these because they're there. And then go ahead and hit apply changes, and now you see our lovely little rug. And you can grab your move tool, and you see that it's right in the center, and we can move this easily. You can make it a poster. Kind of cool, right? Alright, so that's the conclusion of this tutorial, and that's just how easy it is. Go ahead and save this, and you're ready to upload from here. Take your pictures and get it ready for a product page. I'm gonna give a quick shout out to my group, Club Bubblegum AP, and also to my live office, Club Bubblegum Inc. Office AP. You guys are welcome to join me there anytime. You'll see me, Flirty, Shelby, and all the other interns that come in here, and of course, a personal assistant, She Kitty. Come talk to us. We'll give you guys some tips, show you our unique techniques that we use for meshing and texturizing. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.